Hello everyone, I'm Marin from Marin Technology and welcome to the third episode of the WordPress series. In the last episode I showed you how you can download and install WordPress on your personal computer, so feel free to check that if you're interested. The link is in the description. Currently we are in the admin dashboard of WordPress and this is our WordPress website which is currently running on our computer. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can download and install WordPress themes and do some basic customization. At first click on the Appearance tab and click on Themes. Currently you can see all the themes that WordPress has pre-installed. As you can see, the active theme is 2022, which is the current theme that WordPress uses, and every year WordPress releases a new theme. As you can see, there's the 2020 and the 2021 theme. If you want to add some new theme, you click on Add New Theme here or right here, Add New. Here you get to the page where you can see many themes that the community or businesses, individuals, anyone has created. But this is not the only place that you can actually find WordPress themes. There are many other websites that you can do that. For example, Themeforest.net is one of the most popular websites you can actually buy or get free WordPress themes. Sometimes the free WordPress themes will not be enough to satisfy your needs. That's why there are many websites where you can buy customized WordPress themes made by the community in order to make your website look better and customize it exactly as you'd like. We go back on the WordPress though, or in the WordPress admin dashboard, and here you can set any theme you like. For example, if someone is interested in cryptocurrency, he can just write crypto, and WordPress will recommend some of the free themes that you can download and install. Let's leave crypto for now, and we're going to actually download one of the most popular WordPress themes, and which is really easily customizable and free as well. This theme is called Astra, so just click that and click on Install. Once it's done downloading, we can actually activate the theme. If you click that, it will replace the previous theme. So if you actually have made a website with another theme and you want to change it, please be aware that it might actually break how your website used to look like. Currently we have not made anything, so that's what I want to do. I will click on Activate. And currently the website has the Astra theme. Keep in mind that the previous themes are still installed, and if you would like to free this page, you can click on the theme details and delete all the themes manually. So if you go look at our website and refresh, we can see that the WordPress website changed. Astra is currently the active theme, which has changed many things on the appearance. Depending on the theme, you may have also some customized theme options. As you can see here, it has a new tab which we didn't have before, Astra Options. So if you click that, there are some changes that you can actually do to Astra. This is an Astra specific functionality. It may not be in every theme you install, but it's good to know that, and depending on the theme, you may have some extra features. A really cool thing that Astra provides is that it has some automated starter templates which help you with the website creation. As you can see, it says thank you for installing Astra. Did you know Astra comes with dozens of ready-to-use starter templates? Install the starter templates plugin to get started. So we click on get started and it automatically downloads the starter templates plugin. This plugin is going to help us create the first page of our website without actually needing to customize it from scratch. The plugin has just been downloaded. Getting started with starter templates. This is the very beginning of the fastest and easiest website building experience you ever had. So I'm going to click on build your website now. So select page builder. Please choose your preferred page builder from the list below. So we have three options of the three most popular page builders. So what are page builders? Page builders are plugins that help you design your website without needing to code. They are very useful for WordPress beginners. So I'm actually going to choose Elementor, which is my personal favorite. Of course you can choose any of the other two, or if in the time you're watching this video they may have even more options. But if you want to keep up with the next tutorials, I recommend you click Elementor. So by clicking Elementor, you can see that we have many templates that Astra provides. These are ready websites. You can just edit and make them your own. You can choose any of the following. There are also some premium versions where you need to get the premium Astra version, which is a paid version. If you don't want to get the premium, don't worry, there are also many free options. As you can see, there are many categories here you can choose depending on your needs. For example, e-commerce websites, personal website, professional, personal care, local business, and much more. I'm going to choose the outdoor adventure. We're going to click that, and Astra will show us an example on how your website would look like. You can actually browse it and see how many the different tabs are. So you can actually upload your logo specifically here. I'm not gonna do that because I don't have any logo, but of course you can upload it currently as well, and you can also change the logo width if you upload it. So I'm gonna click skip and continue. You can change the website colors. For example, you can choose a more purplish color, pink, or a more red, blue, and stuff like that. I'm gonna keep the blue, but you can choose whatever you want. You can also have some default, which you can choose the default colors. I'm gonna just click on the blue. You can also change the fonts of the website. You can choose whatever fits your needs. I'm gonna just click that on random choice and click on continue. You can okay, just one last step. You can tell some details about yourself. They do that for data collection, but it's not necessary. So if you don't want that, you can just leave it. And now these are the more advanced options. This is the import customizer settings, starter templates, customizer serves, global settings that give uniform design to the website. Choosing this option will override your current customizer settings. Import widgets, import content. These are mostly the pages, posts, menus, and stuff like that. And the share non-sensitive data. This will help our developers build better templates. You can select any of these you'd like. If you want your website to look like exactly as a starter template, you need to select all of the three first. The last is not necessary if you don't want to share any data. So you can just click on submit and build my website. This may take some minutes, so just keep on waiting and your website will be ready in no time. So the installation has just been finished. As you can see, it says congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 1.34 minutes to build. So let's view our website. So this is your website right now. As you can see, it looks much different than what it used to look like before. Of course, you can customize and change every detail of your website using the Elementor theme editor. Stay tuned to watch the next episode of the WordPress series, where I'm going to show you how you can customize your website using the Elementor theme editor. That's it for now. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please feel free to drop a like. Also subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss out on any new content. If you have any questions, I would love to reply to your comments below, so feel free to ask anything you'd like. I'll see you in the next video.